What is the slope of a vertical line? I am Astrid the Maths Mentor, here to help you pass your next maths exam. If you haven't already watched the previous videos in my calculus playlist, go watch them first. I've put a link in the description below and also in the card in the top right corner. Now let's find the gradient of a vertical line. What is the gradient of a vertical line? We are going to start with something we already know first, and then we'll work up to the vertical line. Here I have a slope from point A to point B. We know that the gradient is rise over run. The rise is the difference of the y values and the run is the difference of the x values, and we get our rise of 4 and our run of 13, which gives us a gradient of 0.31, which I've put here also. Watch what happens when I drag point B around. As I get closer to the horizontal, the gradient goes towards 0. So now I have it at the horizontal. Gradient is 0. We know that, that's fine. Now let's go towards the vertical. As this slope gets steeper and steeper, we can see that the gradient is increasing and increasing. So the rise is increasing while the run is decreasing. And a lot of students have the mistake of thinking that a gradient is the length of the line, which isn't true. But you can see here the gradient is around 3. It doesn't matter how short or how long I make this line is, as long as the slope is the same steepness, it's going to have the same gradient. So it's not about the length of the line, it's about how steep the line is. Now as we go towards the vertical, what do you think is going to happen? What are you starting to notice? The gradient is getting extremely large. We have a gradient of 10 now. What's going to happen if I go towards the vertical? There. It says that the gradient is infinite. But why is that? The run is now 0. And 0 in the denominator, you know that that's a big no-no. We cannot divide by 0. It says here that the gradient is infinite. However, a number cannot be divided by 0, so really it should be equal to undefined. The proper way of answering this question is that a vertical line has an undefined gradient. It cannot be defined. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'm making all of these videos for you because I want you to discover your inner genius for maths. You might not believe in yourself, but I believe in you. If you want me to be your personal maths mentor, contact me on my website and let's discuss how I can help you. The next video will be on understanding the gradient formula. See you there!